Bollywood stars who experienced ghost in real life. Shraddha Kapoor. During the shooting of Stree in a village near Bhopal, Shraddha felt many unusual and haunted activity around her. She was advised to wear a special pendant to get rid of these things. You can see her wearing that pendant in entire film. Varun Dhawan. Varun stayed in a hotel in Las Vegas during the shooting of film ABCD 2. At night, he heard someone singing and the doors would just fling open. Varun got damn scared at the night and decided to leave that hotel immediately. Ranveer Singh. He claimed to have a supernatural experience on the sets of Bajirao Mastani. He felt the presence of Peshwa Bajirao around him while shooting in Pune. Not only Ranveer but all the cast and crew members felt many haunted things at the time of shooting. Imran Hashmi. Imran and his friends spent a night at a hotel in Methran and heard loud screaming. They found no one else in the hotel and spent the entire night in one room while the screaming continued. Imran also felt ghostly presence during the shooting of Ras 3. Bipasha Basu. Bipasha experienced some strange things like while shooting at Mukesh Mill, which is one of the haunted places in Mumbai. She couldn't learn her dialogue in some room and even the director claimed the same experience. They finished shooting in that haunted place in very short period of time and left the place before evening. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. During the shooting of movie Atma, Nawazuddin felt unusual things around him. The photo frame used to crash down always, though there was no wind. Not only Nawazuddin but Bipasha also felt the same at this film shooting. Neel Nitin Mukesh. During the movie shoot of 3G, he had to spend some time at the haunted location. He experienced that someone had been standing by his side often. Soha Ali Khan. Soha experienced ghostly presence during the shooting at a Haveli in Gujarat. Not only Soha but all the casts and crew heard unexplained noises and cry coming from empty rooms every night. Everyone had to spend sleepless night there and they checked out immediately in the morning. Govinda. While staying in a hotel, Govinda woke up at night and found that an old woman sitting on his chest. He quickly switched on the bedside lamp and the old woman disappeared. This may be unbelievable, but Govinda said that not only he but every guest in that room had the same experience before. Saroj Khan. Saroj Khan experienced that someone is moving furniture in her hotel room one night. She tried calling reception but the phone was dead. Ram Gopal Verma. After shooting till 3 a.m. for a film, the director felt someone watching at him. He started hearing footsteps. When he looked, there was no one there.